My car is proudly in its 11th year of service for my family. Last year, as I was changing the spark plugs, I noticed tiny white powdery substance covering the entire engine bay. It turns out the fiber insulation under the plastic engine cover is disintegrating. It's dry and brittle from age, and finally, small pieces of fiber falls outside of the plastic cover into the engine bay. The engine cover's insulation usually helps with noise and heat. Notice how newer cars aren't burning the paint off the hoods like the cars from the mid-1980s. I believe it's this insulation that contributes to the paint protection. The insulation also helps with noise reduction. As engines got smaller and turbo becomes somewhat a standard, they rev higher and run hotter. The mufflers got moved to the back of the car. No more engine exhaust roar. The result is engine buzz, noise, clacks, etc., which is not that desirable in a family car.
It's too noisy for you.
Worrying the dust and bits can potentially get inside the engine, I decided to blow them out and replace the insulation. As you can see, the original insulation is fixed directly to the plastic cover with plastic welding. After putting on my gloves and a mask, the welding is not too hard to rip off. With the new insulation, I'm not confident to plastic weld it. Instead, I remember I still have a tube of RTV gasket sealer. If these RTV sealers are good for hot engine and transmission components, they must be okay to use on the plastic engine cover, which is not nearly as hot. A few dots of sealers here and there, and the new insulation is good to go. My car is good again to continue its service into its 12th year. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out my other car maintenance and DIY videos in the playlist. I'll see you next time.